Hello friends, in this video I bring you the recipe of the cream chicken. The gravy is made from the cashews and the sesame seeds, which is very good in taste. If you like the content of my videos, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my new videos. Start with the recipe. The step 1 is the marinate the chicken. For that I am taking 3 chicken breasts which cut into a small pieces. Then we need 3 garlic cloves and the 5 gram of ginger, which I already chopped finely in a hand blender. Take the chicken in a bowl, add the grinded ginger and garlic and 1 green chili into it. Then add 2 serving spoons of the curd or the yogurt. The recipe of the curd and yogurt is also you can find in my YouTube channel. Then add salt to taste. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder for medium spicy. Then add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix them well. After mixing the chicken very well, we need to leave this chicken to marinate for 3 to 4 hours, the minimum time, or you can leave the chicken in your fridge for overnight for marination. Step 2 is making the gravy from cashews and sesame seeds. So for that we are taking 1 onion, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 25 cashews and 2 to 3 green chilies. These green chilies are not so spicy, so I am taking 3, but you can take as per your taste. Now take a pan, add the oil and saute the onions, sesame seed, cashews and green chilies together until golden brown. While saute this, please ensure that you are doing on the medium high flame. It should not burn, but it should be a golden brown. It will take approximately 4 to 5 minutes to get the mixture done until golden brown. So once done, transfer the mixture into a blender and blend the mixture with the addition of the water to make a smooth paste. So I added 1 cup of water and blend the mixture together. This is how it look like. Now leave on the side to add into the gravy later. Now take a pan, add some oil and add cinnamon stick and 1 green cardamom. The green cardamom I crushed a little bit. Then add 1 chopped onion. Saute it. Once it's cooked for 2-3 minutes until golden brown, then add marinated chicken, which we did in step 1. Cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes with continuous stirring. Once the chicken change the color from pink to white, then add the gravy of the cashews and sesame seeds which we made. To rinse all the gravy from the blender mix, add some water, just 1/4 cup of water, rinse it and then add to the gravy as well. Now cook the chicken in the gravy for at least 20 to 25 minutes until the chicken cooked well and is tender. To cook the chicken in the gravy on the medium flame, I am covering the pan with the lid. Cook for 2-3 minutes and stir the chicken and then cook again. This is a process you need to follow for 20 to 25 minutes until chicken is well cooked. Now after 20 minutes, chicken look like this. Once the chicken is cooked well, now we need to add heavy cream or the whipping cream. I'm using a whipping cream which is 35%. I'm adding 2 serving spoons of whipping cream into it. Mix it well. Now we need to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, mix it well. This is a magic ingredient into the chicken which change the taste of the chicken. Then finally we have to add some fresh coriander leaves into it. Mix it well and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. I'm checking the chicken, it is cooked well, look nice, great taste. You can taste it. If you need to add a little bit of salt more, you can add that. Now our chicken is ready to serve. Try this recipe of this chicken at your home, which is very good in taste and it gives the great flavor to the chicken. And let me know in the comment section how you like it. Once the chicken is ready to serve, we are going to garnish it with a fresh crushed black pepper. This is how the final look of the chicken. If you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates on my videos.